Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Green color, red color, pink color, chocolate color, orange color, blue color and black color. Today we are going to draw the 2D shapes: hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart and star. First we are going to draw the shapes. Hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star. Now we're going to put the color. Blue color, hexagon. Chocolate color, circle. Pink color, pentagon. Next, green color, triangle. Next, red color, heart. Next, orange color, star. What we learn? We learn blue color, hexagon, chocolate color, circle, pink color, pentagon, green color, triangle, red color, heart and orange color, star. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.